Yes buddy, you have come over the right place to diagnose your issue. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you would able to get rid from this issue permanently. Without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, you need to understand why you are having this issue. And the answer is very simple and straightforward, which is when you send messages to unknown persons more than the Instagram message limit, or when you send messages frequently or simultaneously, then it is very obvious to have this issue. In order to fix this issue, you have to wait for 24 hours to fix this permanently. If you don't want to wait 24 hours, you can do the following things. Number one is that you can update your Instagram app. To update your Instagram app, go to Play Store and search Instagram. From there, you can easily update your Instagram app. Secondly, you can try clearing cache data of Instagram. To clear cache data of Instagram, you need to go to the settings. Afterward, you need to click on apps and then click on manage apps. Search Instagram on the search bar. Click on Instagram. And now you need to clear the cache data of Instagram. Once you clear up the cache file of Instagram, make sure you check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can try sending feedback to Instagram. To send feedback to Instagram, you need to follow up the following ways. Number one is that you need to open up Instagram and then you need to go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem there.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.